Michael from Baytown has a question about saltless softening.
He's looking into water treatment systems right now. And Michael writes, I'm looking into Aquatex's water treatment system, the Kinetico, for my whole home. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, about 2,000 square feet. But I'm curious, he says, about other systems that claim to work without salt, without, they say they're better for you. But what do you think, Tom?
I don't know how it can be better for you. The only way you can soften water is with a salt system. And when you say better for you, is drinking the water better for you? Any tap water is not good for you. And as far as the salt added into the water, if you would drink it, it's such a minute amount of salt. It's probably the least worrisome thing in all of the water that we get today. A gallon of water will have maybe as much salt as a piece of Mrs. Baird's bread, for instance, is what we always use as an example. So if you're worried about drinking water that's better for you, get a K5 drinking water station. Then you get good, pure water to drink. And the water softening system will be for the whole house to soften it. But saltless systems do not work.
Okay, case closed.
Yes.
Make your case. Send us your questions to HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them here, just like we did in these videos over here. And you subscribe to our channel, you get updates when there are new ones.